Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero, ma'am, let
Can you
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because we are
I need my
under...
lawyers to be present, ma'am. Please, please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not here po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
Eh, ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
ano dito
understand.
also?
Kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema, sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need my lawyers. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Can you-
anywhere. Just
Opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo sa
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Oh, okay, please just go out. Leave the room now.
For the years 2022. Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order. Opo. Yes, ma'am. Opo.
This is a detention center.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo. Ma'am, let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's... Yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, for the years 2022, 2023,